If you own a 2015 to 2018 SuperCrew F150 like the one behind me, and you want arguably the most durable and the most rugged floor mats available, as the name implies, you should be checking out Rugged Ridge's front and rear floor liners. Like I said, these guys will definitely stand up to some serious abuse. They're made out of a really tough rubberized plastic material, and you can basically throw anything at these and they will take it. They actually have a lifetime warranty, so if you ever do manage to ruin these things, Rugged Ridge will gladly replace them. What I really like about this kit is you are getting entire coverage of the front and the rear footwells. These do provide more coverage than some of the other options that we offer, and for around the $170 mark, I like that you're getting both the front and the rear. Some of the options that we do sell are a couple bucks less, but if you take note, a lot of those actually just provide coverage for the front or the rear, and again, those options do not provide as much coverage as these do. I'm actually going to give the install a very simple 1 out of 3 wrenches on my patented difficulty meter. It's really just as simple as throwing them inside the truck. They have these nice little nibs, so they're not going to go anywhere. But I'll go ahead and show you guys how well these fit and why I really like this set. So as you can see, these do fit quite easily, and they really capture the entire footwell area for the driver, passenger, and for the rear seats. What I really like about these is how they have this raised edge right here. So if you ever spill anything or you get a lot of dirt or mud in there, it'll be trapped within the liner. It's not going to fall out and spill over the edges right here. So you can just take them out, wash them off, throw them back in. So all in all, I think this is a really good option if you do want the most coverage possible for the entire cab of your SuperCrew. And on that note, that actually wraps up my little review of Rugged Ridge's front and rear floor liners fitting your 15 to 18 SuperCrew F150. I'm Travis, thanks for watching, and for all things F150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.